In this video I'll be demonstrating automatic alarms. Automatic alarms are a little more interesting now, given that there's a chance that there is actually a fire. It won't be raging or anything, but there could be a small electrical fire or something like that, so you always want to make sure you check thoroughly. In this case, we got screwed with a building that is completely rolled up doors, and it seems like the alarm system's going off. Okay, I do see a little bit of smoke coming out right here, so I'm going to open up right here. If you don't know how to open the roll-up doors, there's a video on that in the playlist, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so yeah, we do have fire in there. It looks like a table burning or something. Let's just make sure that we open up the exposures as well, just in case. So luckily there was no extension, but we do have the very annoying alarm sounds. In order to reset the alarms, you need to go up to an alarm panel and press the E key to reset the alarm. The problem in this building is that all the alarms are going off in the area around where the fire was. So you would need to force entry into each one of these stores and go to the alarm panels and shut them off. But for time's sake, I'm not going to do that. That's the basics of alarm calls. A lot of them will be false. There won't be anything going on, but you do want to investigate to make sure that there's no fire. The more you know.